Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will continue with the series which are on the main topic Elasticsearch and Rust. In this video I will show how to perform bulk creation of your documents. Of course, just I want to bring the attention here, bulk operations can be combined. For example, if you have few indexes, products and orders, for example. With one request you can create, update, delete documents in both indexes. You can create, maybe I think you can even create index. I never created index with bulk operation, but that's a separate topic. And there is a possibility to specify also the index to make bulk operation for specific index. For example, we have right now products index. I want to create many documents with one request, and that is what I will show how to create with bulk operation few documents in a specific index. And let's go to my struct implementation, and where is our document, and here I will just create new function, async function add bulk docs. Okay, index name have to be with string, and here I will need something different, docs, which will be vector of value. And again we will return result with response or error. And just to mention, I plan to create one video with Actix and Axum. I think I pronounce correctly the names of the REST API frameworks of Rust, how to combine this implementation with them. Okay, and definitely I will want to create a few documents with a bulk operation. And here let response again equals to self.client. And here we have operation bulk. And here I want to open just for a moment, and here you can see we have bulk, but here when we are creating bulk parts you can specify the index or not to specify the index. So in that case I will specify the index and I will create documents only to that index. I will of course now show you what is the difference. Okay, so I will create new parts with bulk parts. Okay, with index, but why I don't want to import it like this. Index with the index name. Okay, and here I can just change that to, I think, to none. Yes, so like this. No. Let me just response. Yes, like this. Not, this is not an, yeah, it's just no. Like this, and like this you don't specify a specific index, and you can create operation to different index. Of course you can use that also. I will show how to define the body. You can create that also without to specify the index, but right now I will specify it. Okay, and body too. Excuse me, the body. I said it in Bulgarian, since I'm from Bulgaria. And here I will leave body like this, because here we have to implement something different. The body function receive a body argument as vector of t. Where t is a body. Let me open what is body. Body is a public trait, and we have to implement something which inherit this trait, otherwise we will have a problem. And for that, let me just specify, we have to create bulk body, which will be vector with specifying, I will use JSON body from Elasticsearch. I will open JSON body. You can see JSON body have that trait somewhere. Okay, implement body for JSON body with a right. So we have it for this struct. This implement. Maybe we can also implement something for ourselves, but let's for now make it like this. Use the JSON body. And JSON body also needs a type annotation, but I have to add to make it like this and specify that I want to create this JSON body from value and new. Okay, like this I specified the vector what kind of objects it will hold. And we have the docs, and right now I will write for doc in docs. And I will create the JSON body with this JSON, which will be equal to JSON body new from operation from doc, like this. After that I will add the create instruction, because here I will add document, so I will use the create instruction. I will not deep dive why I'm using create. This is written in the official documentation, so please go and read the official documentation for the bulk API from here, this link. Okay, and create instruction, which have to be again value, and JSON, which will be create with empty object. So here, if I don't specify the index name here, if I'm using new, I will add that one. I will specify the index with index name. I will have to create it like this. And for that, as I mentioned, I will pass the different index names. But for now, I will leave it empty. And I will add to the bulk body with push operation, and first the create instruction, and then with the JSON body. Okay, and let me check. What is the problem here? Yes, I first have to create the JSON and then the JSON body. value from that create instruction, like this. Okay, so we created the bulk body and we will pass it here. Okay, and you can see we don't have error, so I will send that request and I will await that request, and you can see everything now looks perfect. Okay, so this is the main logic for the creating bulk documents. Let's go down to start to use that functionality. So let me for now delete everything from here to add document, create index. Okay, maybe we will leave the create index. And I will delete this doc info. Okay, so I will create a separate function. I think I already created it, just to copy it. To return few instances of that JSON. I will show just a moment. Okay, so here is it. So I created a function which generates some product data. I use ChatGPT to define the name description, so maybe you can also use it. So you can see we have few documents, okay? And let's say products equals to generate products data, and here we have vector of value. And here I will write bulk response equals to Elasticsearch add bulk document, and here I will specify the index name, which is cloud products, and the documents, but we have the products, okay? And I will await that function, and I want to extract the JSON body from that response. Let me just, okay, response body, let me name it like this, and I want the bulk response dot JSON, and here I will specify that I want value dot await, and I will print that response body. Okay, so we create out and okay, and cargo run, and you can see we have the response and the response body. So we don't have any errors, and we have the create, we have an array of operations, and you can see we created an index with this ID in create products with successful next operation, next operation, next operation. So you can extract that array and to perform any other action. So thank you for the attention.